Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can sign up for the Shopify free trial that is going to cost you just $1 for your first month on Shopify. So previously they used to have a 3-month trial that is going to cost you $1 for the next 3 months. So they've cancelled that, and what they have now is just $1 for your first month on Shopify. So in this video I'm going to walk you through how you can sign up and enjoy the $1 30 days free trial. So the first thing I want you to do now is go to the description of the video. So when you go to the description of the video, you're going to see a link to Shopify there. So click the link, and when you click the link, it's going to bring you up to the free trial page, which is going to be something like this. All right, so once you click the link, what you want to do now is enter your email address here. So here I'm going to enter my email address, then I click on the start free trial so we can proceed. So once you enter your email address, it's going to redirect you to a quick survey by Shopify just to get to know you better. All right, so the first thing you're going to see is which of these best describe you. So here you're going to see I'm just getting started, or I'm already selling online in person. So here I'm just going to click on I'm just starting. So after that, what you want to do is you're going to click on next. So here they're going to ask you where would you like to sell, so just choose on an online store. So after that, click on next. So what do you plan to sell first? Is it digital product or product you make yourself? If it's dropshipping or if it's your personal product, just choose either of what you're going to be selling. But for my own case, I'm going to go with dropshipping product. So after that, I'm going to click on next. So here it says, where will your business be located? So what you want to do here is choose the location where you're going to be using your Shopify store. Yeah, so currently my location is United States. So after that, I'm going to click on next here. So the next thing you're going to see here is an option for you to sign up with your email address. So what you want to do is just click on sign up with email address here. So after that, what you want to do is you want to enter the password you're going to be using. Then after that, you're going to click on I am human here. So here, let me quickly enter my password. So I'm going to suggest a password. Then after that, I'm going to tick on I am an human here. Then after that, we're going to proceed to create Shopify account. So I'm going to click on create Shopify account here. All right, so as you can see, we've logged into my Shopify dashboard, and at your right hand side here at the lower section, you're going to see your trial just started. So they're going to give you 3 days to use Shopify for free. So after the 3 days, you're going to have to enter your card details, and they're going to charge you $1, which you're going to be using for the next 30 days. So after the next 30 days, Shopify is going to start charging you for the normal Shopify pricing plan. So once you've logged into your dashboard, what you want to do is you want to come to the lower section here, click on select a plan. So as you can see now, these are the 3 main Shopify plan. So we have the basic plan, we have the Shopify normal plan, and we have the advanced plan. So the basic plan, after the 30 days free trial, is going to cost you $39 at the end of the month. All right, so this is going to cost you $29. So this is going to cost you $29 at the end of the first free trial you're going to have. So the normal Shopify plan for small team, this is going to cost you $79, and the advanced plan is going to cost you $299 after the first trial. So what you want to do is you want to start with the basic here. So here I'm going to come over here now, and I'm going to select basic. So what you want to do here is, if you're going to be using your credit card or if you're going to be using PayPal, so all you simply need to do is just choose the option you're going to be using to subscribe to your Shopify plan. So here I'm going to come over here, then I'm going to click on PayPal here, then I'm going to click on pay with PayPal. So here I'm going to click on agree and continue. So here I'm going to enter my zip code. So I've just entered my zip code now. So the next thing I'm going to do is come over here and click on subscribe to the first free trial. So here I'm going to click on subscribe so we can proceed. So as you can see, I've successfully subscribed. So what you want to do here is enter your first name, your last name, your phone number, and your address. All right, so this is just an upsell for me to upgrade for the POS. So I'm going to click on skip. All right, so as you can see, so my store is now ready to start selling. So what you want to do next is to start adding product to your Shopify store. All right, so this is basically how you can take advantage of the Shopify free trial. All right, so if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are yet to subscribe to the YouTube channel, please subscribe so you can get more videos like this. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.